Hey folks, this Saturday I tried something a little wacky. We had some frozen pierogies in the freezer and made breakfast potato pierogies and eggs. Also had some cooked bacon on hand. So I usually boil pierogies when we eat them, but they also have a way of just sautéing them in a pan and with a little bit of oil. These will cook for about 8 minutes or so, so it all comes together pretty fast. I filled the pan here with 5 of these to serve 2 of this. And while they're going over medium heat, I'm going to make a nice topping here with the bacon. Bacon bits, as you know, and pierogies go really well together. So this is with the addition of parsley. So I have both a fresh, bright taste to it, plus the smoky bacon. Are going to be great. Now, a veg option you could do, equally as flavorful, is fresh garlic and rosemary. So that is a vegetarian topping you could do. Once the pierogies are almost ready, add a little butter to the pan, fried up 2 eggs, and sprinkled it with this bacon bits so they could cook a little longer. And it just turned out really great, and it turned out really fast as well. 2 eggs, 3 pierogies, a little OJ, a little cracked black pepper, and it was a delicious Saturday morning breakfast. I hope you can give it a try.